you guys, welcome back to Lizzy's TV. I am Lizzy, and today we are going to do another unboxing. And this unboxing is from Stealth Angel. Basically what they do is they sell a lot of tactical gear, they sell emergency kits, they sell camping equipment, they sell outdoor stoves. I mean, you name it, they sell tools, they sell food emergency kits as well. So they sell a lot of things. So I decided to order a mystery box from them just to see exactly what I would get inside my box. It's a small box, but that's okay because you never know. I didn't know what I was going to get, so I wanted to get a smaller box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this box and we're going to see what's inside. Okay, so far I see about 3 items inside this box, and we're going to see what they are. So the first item is, okay, looks like it's a pair of gloves, tactical gloves package. It's got a nice thick packaging to it, so which means, you know, you can store them, you can keep them stored in here, and that way they won't get all water damaged or whatever. So, they're nice. I really like these. They got the breakable fabric, real easy, real soft. They have a Velcro strap here for you. You can use the Velcro strap. So let's see how they fit. Yeah, they fit good. Perfect. It's like the right size for me. I like those. And you know, we always try on, for whatever reason, the right hand, just like trying on shoes. When you go to the shoe store, you only try on one shoe, but guys, we got 2 feet. So which means we got 2 hands as well. So we're going to put them on both sides. Because this fits good. We want to see how this one fit. All right. Yep. That fits good. So I like that. Those are cool. I do like the ones, they have also the ones where the fingers are out. So I'll possibly probably order me some of those because I do want those as well. But you got the Velcro strap. Let's take these off. All right. So those are those. Yeah, you guys, I like that. These are very nice. I love these gloves. They're very comfortable. They have the knuckle caps on there for protection here. They're very durable, lightweight, so that'll work. And they also military style, so that's cool. I like those. So we're gonna set them to the side. Let's see what we got next. All right. We have a Soul Volt power bank. It's portable. It's supposed to be water resistant. So inside we have a little small user manual that tells you what to expect from the item, how to use it. This is the power bank. Very nice. Yep, okay. So we can turn it on and have the lights on it. And then you click it twice, the light will come on. So it has a nice flashlight in it. You can also charge 2 phones with it. Under the flap there, you got where you can charge. You can take, see this piece, what do we have? Have an attachment here, it has a compass on it. So that's cool. So if you get lost anywhere out in the woods, if you're camping or anything like that, you can use your compass and it'll get you back to your destination. So you will connect this on to there as well. Then it has the charger cord here. It didn't come with the box to charge it with. You would just basically put this inside here, like so. Let's see. Let's get it in there. Like that. And then you can charge it to your cell phone. Or you can take the other end and you can put it in here as well. And then you still can charge your cell phone with the jack. So here you go. Solar charger has 10,000 milliamps. It has 3.7 hours on it. And it's compatible with most phone chargers. So that's cool. I can't get the light to go off though. I don't know why. It's just stuck on there, so I can't get that off. So hopefully that don't blind you guys, because it's blinding me. So we're gonna sit that to the side. And next we have mini wireless stereo earbuds. And these earbuds is by Burst Studio. Okay, so let's open these up and see what's going on. Let's see what they look like. Let's see what they look like, you guys. All right, here we go. Got the plastic off. We got the plastic off there. So now we're gonna open the box. So the inside the box, little plastic bag for packaging. And we got the sleek black case for them. So now we open it. Oh, those are beautiful. They're black. I thought they were a different color on the box, but they're black. They're nice. I possibly would have to charge them up in order to use them. So there we are. Let's see. Like that. And you put them in your ear. Like that. So yeah, I think they need to be charged up. They have the 2-pin on there, on each one, that you can charge. So they would definitely need to be charged up. So overall, I kind of like this mystery box. But like I said, for the gloves, I kind of wish they had the ones with the fingers out. Those would have been really cool. But these are really nice and they're real sturdy. I really like them. They're very, very, the material, they just feel comfortable. They do, they just feel comfortable. I want to thank you guys for watching. That's the end of this video. And if you guys like this video, please leave me a comment. If there's anything that you would like for me to unbox for you or demonstrate or try out for you, just send me a link. My email and everything is at the end of the description. And also for the Stuffed Angel box or the Stuffed Angel website, I will be leaving that information in the bottom of the description. I am not affiliated with this company. It's just basically I wanted to do an unboxing and see what I would get, because I get excited when I don't know sometimes what I have in the box. So don't forget, give me a like, subscribe. If you're new here, please come back again, and I will see you all soon.